Students, in this video we are going to analyze the 2 square factorial design, right? This is the problem we are going to consider. Two treatments are in two levels. See here, both A and B are in the second level. B is in the second level and A is in the first level. A is in the second level and B is in the first level. Here both A and B are in the first level. So this has been replicated 4 times in 4 blocks in a randomized manner. So how to analyze this 2 square factorial design? Let us discuss. See, this is a null hypothesis. For row there is no significant difference between blocks. I have blocks in the rows, and for columns there is no significant difference between treatments. Okay, now you should make a table, a two-way table. See, let us have block in the first column, the treatments 1 A, B, AB. Let me collect the treatments. See, for A it is 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. Sorry, let us first write it for 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. Collect like this. So block 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. Block 2, block 3, block 4. So let me collect the A values 5, 5, 6, 5. Okay, so 5, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So I am doing it for B. 6, 3, 3, 5. For AB, 8, 7, 4, 6. Now you compute the row totals. Do it with your calculator if you are not comfortable. Then Ri square by 4, because you have 4 observations here. You should divide by 4, right? Do it with your calculator. Square divided by 4. 18 square divided by 4. 21 square divided by 4. Then you find raw sum of squares, which is 134. Square each value and add. Okay, 9 plus 25 plus 36 plus 64. Yes, here 6 square plus 5 square plus 3 square plus 7 square. Similarly, do it here. Okay, the total here is 458. Do it with your calculator. Calculate the total here, and here it is 82. Now you compute Cj, the total for each column, 17, 23, 17, 25. Then you compute Cj square by Nj. Nj is 4 here. 17 square divided by 4, 72.25. 23 square divided by 4, 132.25. This is again 72.25. 25 square divided by 4, 156.25. So the total here is 433. Right? Fine. So this calculation is over. Now you write grand total is 82. Right? Correction factor is G square by N, that it's 82 square divided by N is the number of values given in the problem, 16, which is 420.25. Raw sum of square is, we have did it for each row separately. Okay, so we get 458. Total sum of square is raw sum of square minus correction factor, 458 minus 420.25, 37.75. Row sum of square, that is block sum of square, is summation Ri square by 4 minus correction factor. See, 422.5 minus 420.25, I get 2.25. Column sum of square, which is actually the treatment, summation Cj square by 4 minus Cf formed as Nj. Cj square 433 minus 420.25, you get 12.75. Right? Now let us compute error sum of square, which is total sum of square minus row sum of square minus column sum of square. Total sum of square is 37.75 minus 2.25 minus 12.75. So you get 22.75. Okay, fine. So this is up to this you will be very much familiar, the two-way analysis. Now, since it is a factorial design, you need to have the individual effects of A, B and AB, for which you go to 8's table. Okay, have treatment in the first column 1 A, B, AB, and write the total for each treatment, which you have already: 17, 23, 17 and 25. See, you are framing the first column. Consider this is one group, 2. You should group in twos because it is a two square design. Add these two values, you get 40. Add these two values, you get 42. Now reduce this from this: 23 minus 17, 25 minus 17, right? So do it for 2 times because it is a two square design. Do it with these values now. Add these two, 82. Add these two, 14. Calculate the difference, 2, difference 2, right? Now you compute 82 square by 16, which is 420.25, and that will be your correction factor. Okay, then 14 square by 16 is 12.25. 2 square by 16, by 16, it is a two square design and each treatment is repeated 4 times, right? So you have 16 here. 0.25. Here again 2 square by 16, 0.25. Now the beauty of this table is, if you add all the 3 treatments, the sum of square for the treatments, you will get 12.75, right? See, that is what you got for treatment sum of square, 12.75. Yes? So you have split the total treatment sum of square for individual treatments using 8's table. Now the last step is to go to ANOVA table. Analysis of variance table. First write the source of variation, that is, first one is row, which is nothing but block. The second is treatment. We actually divide it into 3 combinations, and then write error, total. The degrees of freedom is, you have 4 rows, 4 minus 1 is 3. Total you have 16 observations, 16 minus 1 is 15. You have each treatment in 2 levels. It is a two square design. So 2 minus 1 is 1. B in 2 levels, 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here it is 15 minus 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 9. Right? Now write sum of squares. Your row sum of square is, see, we have it here, or you can see here, row sum of square 2.25. For A it is 12.25. For B 0.25. For AB it is 0.25. Error is 22.75. and total is 37.75. Now you calculate mean sum of square. Divide this by this. 2.25 divided by 3. You get 0.75. 12.25 divided by 1. 0.25 divided by 1. 0.25 divided by 1. 22.75 divided by 9. Okay. Now you should compute F ratio. You should compare everything with the error. Right? So the number which is greater should be in the numerator. So here 2.53 by 0.75 is 3.37. 12.25 divided by 2.53 because this is greater, 4.84. 2.53 by 0.25, 1.01. 2.53 by 0.05, 1.01. Now how will you look at the degrees of freedom? See how you got it. 2.53 by 0.75. So degree is 9, 3. Here 12.25 by 2.53. 1, 9. Here 2.53 by 0.25. So it is 9, 1. Right? Write F table values. See the table. For 9, 3 it is approximately 8.84. For 1, 9 it is approximately 5.12. For 9, 1 it is 238.90. See, calculated value is less than table value for all the cases. So you write the conclusion now. Let us write the result. For row, F value is less than F table value. So you accept H naught R. That is, there is no significant difference between blocks or blocks are homogeneous. And coming to the treatments, for all treatment combinations, F is less than table value. So H naught C is also accepted for all combinations. So you conclude that the levels of the treatments are homogeneous. Here we are testing whether the levels are homogeneous. Each treatment is in 2 levels. So the levels are homogeneous. There is no significant difference between the levels. This is the conclusion. Okay. Thank you.